Keto tip number 10. Celebrate your success. Your successes are measured by the satisfaction you get from them. Make sure that you don't depend on other people to give you the encouragement that you need to keep pushing forward. It's good to have good friends who encourage you, but sometimes our good friends don't always give us the right advice. So we have to make sure that we take on programs for our personal needs. I do this for me. I do this because I want to increase my longevity healthfully. You do it and make certain that you do it. When you start your keto journey, make sure that this is something that you do for you. It's okay to be selfish. So celebrate. If it's a pound, if it's coming off of a pill, if it's energy, if it's just your greater appreciation of this life that we've been blessed with. You stay with it. And I'll see you at Chef Carol Cake Artistry Club on my YouTube channel. Bye.